Someone left my... Is that my breakfast? I can smell my Is that my breakfast? Hello? Morning? Someone left my breakfast out? Have they? Hello? 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 Is that... Excuse me? Is that my breakfast? Is it? Yeah. I know. I've got to phone Hannah today, haven't I? Yeah. But is that my breakfast? Can I eat my breakfast first? Should I eat my breakfast? I will phone Hannah, promise. Yeah, we'll do the bonfire video. Yeah, I promise. I just need my breakfast. Yeah. Hannah or breakfast. Hannah or breakfast. Breakfast. Hello?
Hello, is that Clover?
Hi, Hannah. How you doing?
Oh, hello, how are you? I heard you wanted to speak to me.
Well, Pickles and Paws have asked me to make a bonfire video.
Right, okay.
I'm wondering if you can help me.
Oh, absolutely. What is it that we need to do?
Well, we just need to make sure that everybody knows that they must check their bonfires before they light them. Because me and my friends, we really like to sleep in the bottom of bonfires. And obviously that's a problem when people come to light them. Because, well, if we're hibernating, it takes us kind of 12 hours to make up. So it's really important that people check their bonfires before they light them.
Okay, Clover. Well, when do you need to make this by?
Well, what are you doing this afternoon? I'm free this afternoon.
Let me think. I think I can do this afternoon.
Brilliant. Okay, well, I'm going to finish my breakfast. I might have a nap, and then I'll see you this afternoon.
Okay, great, Clover. I'll see you then.
Thanks.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Thanks. Bye.
Oh, Hannah's so lovely. Right. Back to breakfast for me, I think. Right. And bedtime. Night-night. Bye, everybody. Goodbye.